ordinary mind, the extraordinary mind, and the erotic mind. So the ordinary mind, obviously, it's linear, it's rational, it's figuring things out, it sees things and problems and solutions. And interesting is usually what will fix a problem, a perceived problem. So then there's the extraordinary mind. And that is the mind that wants to innovate. It will even be solution-oriented. It will even be future-reaching. But you will see extraordinary expressions within that. And then what I would say is the erotic mind is the mind that it's building the mind. So you'll know it because it's necessarily associative. It will just delight at the way this turn of
like this turn of phrase goes to this British thing,
yes,
goes to this poem,
yes,
goes to this color.
That's it. Okay, that is the erotic mind. It is self-organizing. It knows what it's looking for in a sense. It doesn't know, it may not know it self-curates, it filters for what will add, majesty, richness, beauty to itself to make the keeper of that mind more fruitful in offering an expression of itself into the world.